Everything in this home is up to regulation when we pass insurance inspection. This type of setup that I'm going to show you now is simply for emergencies only, and I do not encourage doing it unless you have an emergency situation. So let's get to it. What you're looking at is a foam box that contains the pressure tank for my water system in the house. Now, this pressure tank has all of its pipes wrapped in a heating cable that would plug in into a plug on the underneath side here of the home. But we're talking about a situation where the electricity is out. So I've taken a dryer vent hose here. This is a aluminum hose. This is not some type of synthetic plastic covered in aluminum. This is actual aluminum hosing here. And I've taken that and I've cut a hole through my box. And this hose here cuts off just inside the box, and it will be the inlet that will allow us to pump in our hot air from our diesel heater. So let's take a look at the diesel heater. All right, we're now going to connect the battery to the diesel heater using our little clips here. Positive to positive, negative to negative. And I'm going to move this back because our exhaust here will get awfully warm once the unit is running. All right, we see now on the display that the unit is powered up. We're just now going to hit the on button, and the unit will begin its power up sequence. We see here that the glow plug is on, and if you look closely, there is red and green arrows indicating flow of air in and out of the unit. Also demonstrated is that the fan is on and blowing. Up here on your right is your battery indicator, and this is your Wi-Fi signal if you're going to use a remote, but we're not going to use a remote today. With the glow plug unit now on, and the glow plug coming to temperature, we have an icon that popped up on the left, that little green thing over here. That is your fuel pump, and if you listen closely, you can hear the fuel pump actuating. It's putting little squirts of your fuel into the combustion chamber. Now, if you continue to listen, what sounds like a jet engine is actually the unit going into the burn sequence. And it does have a smell of diesel fuel. If you have more questions about the powering up and the operation of the unit itself, there's tons of videos on YouTube that can help you along to decipher codes and to get you started up right. But for this video, we're just going to demonstrate the unit working. The unit is now on its fastest run mode. We have complete combustion and the blower is turning on. It's going to get louder and louder as it comes up to temperature. My hose here is beginning to come up to temperature. Sounds very similar to a jet engine. This is our starting temperature, 51 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll come back and check this in a few minutes after the unit has had time to run. And there you have it, guys. The temperature inside the box containing my pressure tank and pipes is now 81 degrees Fahrenheit. Well guys, I hope this video helped you out a little bit. Keep in mind that these things can't be permanently installed due to insurance reasons, and you will have an increased risk of fire. I encourage that you take all safety precautions if you use this method, which is to be used only in an emergency. I am not telling you to do it, I'm saying you simply can. In the event, like I said, that you have to use kerosene as a fuel, you can use Marlboro Mist Oil blended in with the kerosene for the heater to get you by to lubricate the fuel pump. We also recommend Marlboro Mist Oil to be putting in your cars now due to the increased ethanol rates, as it can save your fuel pump in your car as well. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe.